Okay, let's go into the SEFI program, which is one of my favorite programs. SEFI stands for Subtle Energy Frequency Imprinter. And when you come to this category, you can choose your target. So under your profile, if you've made any profiles for animals or other objects or spaces, this is where you could choose one of those objects or spaces. So say if I wanted to send abundance to my bank account, I would just click the bank account, go to abundance, and send that frequency there. So you can actually play around with this a lot. And this is where you can choose your own frequency that you want to send yourself or others. You can also make playlists, and you can save all of them. I have so many different playlists of frequencies that hold up to 15 frequencies of your choice. So let's take a look at some of these categories of frequencies. The quantum reach has frequencies like abundance, creativity, energy, focus, gratitude, love, forgiveness, peace, prosperity, resolve, sleep well, stress-free. The quantum frequencies are all the physical symptoms listed alphabetically, and as you can see here, there is a frequency for almost anything that you can think of on the physical level. So if you're having a headache, if you're itching, if you have a memory loss or need muscle repair, there's a frequency for all of it. Affirmations, so like addiction, anxiety, common cold, energy boost, mastering stress, mood support, pain control, perfect health, super memory, wealth and prosperity, weight management, and more. The quantum flowers are like Bach flower remedies. So you can choose by emotion and it will come up with the flower that you need, or you can choose by flower if you are familiar with the flowers. You can also scan yourself to see which flower it's coming up with for you. So it's saying spiritual confusion for me, silver princess. And so I can choose to imprint this into any object or my water and take the frequency of that. Next is the quantum chakras. So these are all of your 7 chakras. There are more chakras than that, but the 7 main recognized chakras. So for me, what came up on that vitals report was the throat. So I can send myself some healing frequencies for the throat chakra that will be sent directly to my body. So I have an example for this as well. At the top is an example of my friend's chakra scan. She was going through a really hard time, and as you can see, a lot of her chakras are out of balance before and after the frequencies. So I made a SEFI frequency playlist for her, including the chakras that were out of balance and some specific frequencies for things that she was going through at the time. I let the playlist broadcast for about an hour. I scanned her again and her chakras were perfect. So this is just proof that this stuff really works. And she also said that she felt much better after the chakra alignment, and some of her physical symptoms she was going through that day also went away as well. So let's look at the homeopathics. So for this, you can actually just choose the homeopathic remedy if you know the name of it, or you can just search by symptom. So if you're not sure what remedy to use, say if you're going to do allergies, general, and then you hit scan and it will order these with the one that resonates most with your body will be at the top. So now you know which one to use, and you can actually remember the name of it and add it to your playlist. But you can also imprint the frequency into water or other objects or broadcast it directly to yourself or your target of choice. Next is Energy Homeoenergetics. This is like your system support and detox section. I love so many of these frequencies. You can do bacteria detox, body system support, candida detox, chemical detox, dental detox, Epstein-Barr, heart plus, herpes simplex, lithium detox, Lyme detox, mammary plus, pesticide and nicotine detox, radiation detox, trace mineral complete. I love putting that in my water. Ultimate emotions, vaccination detox, Verma plus is a parasite detox, and virus detox. So some really good stuff here in this category. And then SEFI dots. These are wearable discs that are like little stickers that you can imprint frequencies to and wear on your body. So you scan yourself for which one you need, or you can choose from the drop-down menu. So it's saying I need allergy defense. So I would put my SEFI dot on top, erase, then imprint. And then it will show me the 5 best choices for placement for this specific frequency. And it chooses meridian energy entry points on the body. But you can choose to put it somewhere else as well. So if you didn't want it on your face or right there on your hand, you could choose another energy entry point. These wearable discs, you don't necessarily have to use the SEFI dot section. You can put any of the frequencies from any of these categories on them. Hi, I'm Melinda Love, a Solex Quantum Living advocate. The AO Scan is advanced bioresonance frequency technology that we can use to scan and balance our energy anytime, anywhere, right from our own device. To learn more about this quantum wellness tool that's changing lives, go to aoscanqla.com. On this page, I provide you information about how it works, the 40+ years of science behind it and how it came to be, information about the programs that you will receive access to with your subscription, diagrams, videos on how the scans work and what benefits you might receive. You'll find pricing information, a video about how to sign up, and my favorite product bundle that you can use to amplify your results with the technology. You'll also see real transformation stories and testimonials from other users. Check the video description for direct links, related videos, and how to contact me. I invite you to join the Solex community and start scanning and receiving the benefits of frequencies today. Thanks for watching.